इस रेसिपी को उर्दू में देखने के लिए डिस्क्रिप्शन में मौजूद लिंक को क्लिक करें। अस्सलाम वालेकुम, वेलकम टू Asma's Kitchen. I am Asma. Today I am going to share really yummy recipe of mugs, also known as brain masala. Give this recipe a try and let me know your feedback. And for your assistance, there is a recipe card in the end of the video. So watch this video till the end. Here are the ingredients you will need: cow's brain 2, oil 3/4 cup, green coriander 1 cup, onion 2 finely chopped, tomato 1 finely chopped, garlic a head crushed, ginger 1.5 inch piece crushed and in julienne cut, green chilies 4 cut into half, salt 1 teaspoon, lemon juice 1 teaspoon, chili powder 1 tablespoon, coriander powder 1 teaspoon level, turmeric powder half teaspoon, hot spice powder 1 teaspoon level. Now warm up oil in a pan. Then add salt, garlic and ginger. Then saute it. Then after 5 minutes, add onion and keep sauteing it. When it changes into light pink color, then add chopped tomatoes and saute it. Then cover it and let it cook on medium heat so that onions and tomato get completely tender. After 10 minutes, again saute. Then add brain and saute it. Then add chili powder, coriander powder and turmeric and again saute it at least for 8 to 10 minutes. Then add a cup of water and mix it and cover it for 2 to 3 minutes. Now again saute it and add half teaspoon of hot spice powder, julienne ginger, green chilies and lemon juice. Then mix it and cover it and let it cook on medium-low heat for 15 minutes. It is ready now, so I'm going to dish it out. Then garnish it with chopped green coriander and sprinkle some hot spice powder over it. Then garnish it with julienne ginger and chopped green chilies. That's it. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Do follow me on Instagram and Facebook page. Subscribe to my channel Asma's Kitchen. Hit the like button and share this video and continue to watch my other videos and playlists. See you soon. Thank you so much for watching.